Hi everyone, it's AC Coder and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you some work that I did at a Girls Into Coding Robotics online event. Firstly, I'm going to show you all the equipment that I will need. Wheels, a caster wheel, jumper wires, 2 microbits, a distance sensor, a mini breadboard, motor driver board, an edge connector, a chassis, and a battery pack. Now I'm going to assemble my robot. It's time to do some coding and download it onto my Microbit. Let's see how the projects came out. This code makes the robot go forwards and then backwards. Code makes the robot turn around, stop, and then go back the other way. This piece of code makes the robot go forward, left, backwards, forwards, right, and then backwards again. All of this code that I did today was done in Python. The robot continuously spins round and round in a circle. I really enjoyed doing this and I'll definitely look further into robotics and try out even more projects. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye!